In this video, I will show you how to play music through mic on Roblox. So let's jump straight into it. So in Roblox, there's not actually a built-in way to play music directly through a microphone, but you can achieve something similar by utilising in-game music assets, scripts, or a third-party voice chat feature. So what I've done is put together a few methods which you can try to play music through a microphone in Roblox. Now the first method is to use audio assets. So Roblox allows you to play music through in-game assets using audio IDs. Now whilst you can't technically use your microphone to stream live music, you can use a pre-uploaded audio file, and here is how to play music in Roblox using a script. The first thing you're going to want to do is get to the music ID. So what you want to do is find the music track you want to play, either from the Roblox library or of course by uploading your own music. Then what you need to do is copy the asset ID from the URL of the music, which is the long number at the end of the URL. So I've got an example here. So if your URL looks like this, then the asset ID would be the numbers at the end of the URL. So what you can do is place a simple script in the starter player scripts or starter character scripts in Roblox Studio, of course depending on your use case. So what I've done is put together a sample script which will play music when you join the game. So what you can do is pause this here, and you can actually go ahead and add this script to either the starter player scripts or starter character scripts. Now what you can do is adjust the volume, looped, which is of course whether the song loops, and other properties of the sound through the properties window or script. Now the next way to do this is through the Roblox voice chat. So if you are looking to play music via your microphone while using Roblox voice chat feature, you can try streaming music through your mic, though it's not an ideal or reliable method and it is not officially supported. But if you do want to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is ensure that voice chat is enabled in Roblox through the settings menu, and of course verify your age if required. Now once you've done that, you could play music aloud near your microphone or use a software like Voice Meter or a virtual microphone tool to stream audio through your mic. Now just to note that this method is not ideal as the quality can be very poor and it may disrupt normal gameplay or of course violate Roblox's community standards. The third and final method to do this is using a custom audio player with a GUI. Now if you want more control over music playback, you can create a custom GUI which you can use to control the audio, where players can play full songs themselves. Now to do this, what you're going to want to do is upload your music to Roblox. Of course, make sure to ensure that it follows community guidelines, and then create a GUI with buttons to play, pause the music. You can do this by creating a script to handle the audio control. And again, here is an example script which you can use to play, pause the music with a button. Now, a few quick notes I want to go through is, of course, copyrighted music. So be careful with copyrighted music. Roblox do have strict guidelines against using copyrighted content unless it is specifically licensed or available in their library. And if you are using the method for Roblox voice chat, then make sure you're following all community guidelines. Of course, streaming loud or inappropriate content could potentially get your account flagged and banned. So that is how to play music through mic on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.